Energy prices are a big cost for the airlines. So why have oil and airlines been moving together recently? Well, welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Morgan Brennan. Bill Baruch from IITrader and Jake Weinig from Malachite Capital join me here today. Guys, thanks for joining. And Bill, let's start with you. Why are we seeing this move in tandem for airlines and oil right now?
Well, thanks for having me on today. And I think the most important thing to really look at is we all know the market and oil both started the year off very poorly and bottomed out through January and February. And from here, we saw a inflow into ETFs, inflow to equities, inflow to oil, in the market recovering. This was a risk-on trade. And I do think to some degree that the market and oil have followed together. Not only that, at the end of the first quarter, we saw massive hedging come in from the airlines going all the way out to 2019. And as crude oil has increased in price throughout the year, the airlines have actually not necessarily lost money as oil has gone higher, but instead have been able to capitalize on these hedges and focus on more market specifics and expand their business. So I do think this correlation, which has increased throughout the year, is something that can, for the next year or two, really stay in place, even if oil stays up here above $50 and goes higher.
Yeah, and that chart really kind of just says it all right there. The move there is pretty striking. Jake, taking a look at that, if we were to actually see oil move higher and really tick further above this $50 mark, and airlines move higher as well, does this speak to the fact that we could potentially be seeing stronger economic growth, which essentially lifts all boats?
Well, I certainly agree. I think one of the things that the market was telling us early in this year, as we hit oil in the upper 20s, was that the markets are and the economy here in the U.S. is a lot more concerned with oil and gas companies going out of business. As those tensions have eased and things have started to lift, and as you said, rising tide lifts all boats here. We've started to see people traveling more, especially at the end of the summer when as Zika fears have subsided, travel stocks have all lifted. I'm not so sure that oil at $50 is a major headwind for airline stocks right now. Although I do agree with you. I think if we start to see it go into 60s or even higher, that could start to be a little bit of impediment to airline stocks trading significantly higher.
Great. Well, Jake Weinig, thanks for joining us. And Bill Baruch, thank you for joining us. And thanks for watching Trading Nation. For more, head to our site at tradingnation.cnbc.com, and I'll see you next time.
Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you're going to find videos packed with all of the information that you need to be smarter about your finances. You can subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me or the I right here to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.